Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to connect and set up your microphone in BandLab on your PC. Let's get straight into it. First, ensure your microphone is properly plugged into your computer. Whether you are using a simple USB microphone or connecting through an external audio interface, make sure your PC recognizes your hardware before we move on to the software. Next, open up your web browser and head over to the BandLab website. Once you are logged into your account, look for the Create button, usually located at the top right of your dashboard, and select New Project. When the studio interface loads, you will be prompted to choose a new track type. Click on the Voice/Audio option, which is represented by a microphone icon. This will instantly add a dedicated recording track to your workspace. Now, to guarantee BandLab is capturing the correct audio, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the Input Source drop-down menu, and select your specific microphone from the list. Go ahead and speak into your mic to test it out. You should see the input volume meter reacting to your voice. And that is all there is to it. Your microphone is now fully connected and you are ready to start recording your audio. If this guide helped you out, please drop a like, subscribe to ClearTask for more simple step-by-step tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.